Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, I feel like I've said it every single intro for the last few videos, but this is truly something special. The car we're looking at today, Audi R8 V10 Spyder. If I could buy one right now, I think I would get the coupe, to be perfectly fair with you, but it is 85 degrees. It is sunny here in northern Michigan, so I think the drop top is gonna serve us well. We are headed to the shop right now. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more stuff like this, make sure to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up button for that algorithm. We're gonna hit a quick wash on the cars actually first. I'm getting there a little early so we can get mine done, and then we'll get the R8 as soon as he gets there. Go for a little cruise, enjoy ourselves on this beautiful day. The Blue Angels are out. The F18 Super Hornets, ladies and gents. They're out and about here in beautiful northern Michigan, and can't wait to see those as well. Maybe they'll make a feature in the video. Who knows? But until then, let's just head there. Let's drive safely. Traffic is atrocious, so gonna put both hands on the steering wheel, get there in a safe manner. Catch you guys in a sec. I gotta look on HRE's website, see what these are, but 325s in the rear is thick. Holy moly. Drop top, absolutely gonna be taking that off today because it's gorgeous out. It's not scorching hot like it was yesterday. I think we saw 90 maybe, but this thing is gonna be fun. All right, the R8 has been cleaned. I think it's time we take it out. All right, hopefully you can hear, but I'm not gonna apologize because we got the top down. It's a beautiful day. We are in the R8 Spyder, and I think we need to go for a little rip here. Not too bad, man. Dude, I feel like I'm too tall for a Spyder though.
It is, yeah. It does feel a little short.
Dual clutch shifts so fast. I don't want to be by this truck. I didn't ask where the registration or insurance is on this, so hopefully we don't get pulled over.
Hopefully we're all set.
Oh, that is that's law enforcement right there.
Yep. Conservation officer. We're good.
Can he pull us over? Probably not. So the cockpit of this thing is a little crazy. I'm 6'1", not gonna lie. I wish I could adjust the seating to be a bit more comfortable, but I guess it's a sacrifice you gotta make. Hit a bit of traffic, so I think we're just gonna go into town and boogie out of here, not by way of Front Street and Division, that's for sure. All right, had to swap spots. Wanted to get a little passenger seat action in the R8. So traffic, a little crazy getting out of town. I think we're gonna zoot back to the shop, give this back to the owner. But first impression of the car, oh my
sturdy.
gosh. This
So
thing is,
sturdy.
it's great. For people that don't know what we're in, this is a V10 R8, 540 horsepower, V10 naturally aspirated engine. 0 to 60 in this car in like 3.1 seconds or something ridiculous like that. So, oh, what a treat this is. Oh, get some pops
okay.
in there too.
Okay.
All right. Look, a C8. Oh, and the police. Hello. Was never really a huge fan of the Spyder, I'll be honest, but after being in one, it's... Oh, goodness. You hear the exhaust note a little more. You hear the crackles and pops. Ooh, that just feels right. That feels so right. Oh!
Those are perfect pops.
They are. It's not too much. It's not like a crackle tune, like where it's obnoxious and too much.
Yeah.
That's just right. That's awesome. I gotta chill it out. I was just going 70 and didn't realize it because of that thing. It just makes everything feel like you're desensitized to speed. Oh man, how good is that? This is a little faster. Oh my. F-16 Viper and then a Harrier? What? Blue Angels are over there. Pretty cool little setup here. Neato. Well, we are back in the S5 after some spirited driving in the R8 Spyder. That was amazing. Big thanks to Royal Stag Properties for letting us have that, tool around with it for a little bit. If you guys want to check out their properties, link in the description of this video. Very cool people, very cool team, and very cool cars. And we're just chilling. He's still behind me there. Just overall a good time. If you guys like this sort of content, want to see more like it on the channel, hit subscribe, like the video. If you guys want to support that algorithm, help push the video to a new audience. Until next time though, ladies and gentlemen, this will wrap up the video. We'll see ya.